have it in my. I keep looking my computer. We're good. Is that at text and the university made a class that really wants you to learn a lot of vocabulary. There is a book, some old vocabulary, textbook, and that is going to be on the test. So that is going to be practiced a lot of today. Last week, you had your one homework from last week. When I was looking at that homework, was that made for this? English, Japanese, an email. So make sure that this video question. The paragraph on what you learned is important about formatting and writing an email. Now, answer, you put, actually, wait, let me change that over to student mode. Okay, that answer you put in, come on, in here, okay? So you don't have to email. End that up as an direct inside that online text box. Okay, so let's go back. Back. Come on. Go back. Okay, so that homework today. Now, last week, is the video that I put on YouTube, and I put it up onto your class recording. Now, just like this video is also in English. You're probably English. I don't understand. Oh, and I don't understand any. why I do English and why I put this on YouTube. If you don't know yet, YouTube is owned by Google, and Google is very, very hard to understand. This is on YouTube because you can see the logo right there. And if you play this video, and the sound will come out. Come on. Come on.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday afternoon, fifth period for Kyushu Institute of Technology. This is English 6C. I'm your teacher, Jose Domingo Cruz, and I want to give you an explanation for the assignments that you're going to be having this week. Before this just now, I explained to you what you have to do in the main part of this class. So please make sure that you read all of these documents.
Okay,
Especially make sure that you have the safe exam browser properly loaded both on your computer and on your phone.
If you click on that YouTube link, it will take you to YouTube.
First class, okay? In every class, I have a class description. This class description, as much as I can, I try to make this as explanatory.
Sorry about that.
As possible to help you know what we're going to be doing in class. But in every class description, just make sure that you read everything. The best way to do that is to click on the title. If you click on the title, then you'll see all of the contents in it. Now, in this case, all of the content is actually already on the front. You can tell because there's no ... here. If there was a ... after
Okay. What you'll find is this gear icon. If you touch it and you set off the subtitles, okay, you can have the English read out to you. So this is the amazing thing about Google. I didn't actually write these subtitles.
It's actually going to Institute of Technology, but I will be
actually going to take what I said and put it in the second
period as well. Welcome to the class, and as you can see, I'll be showing you the Moodle today.
But some of you
one of the first few things that you have to make sure about is that you check this syllabus and make sure that this is your class. This is your group.
Go back to that gear icon, okay? See here where it says subtitles. Translate. And I think that's amazing. I think that's pretty amazing stuff that Google does to translate directly from English to Japanese using AI. Mistakes, but just going in there. Now, some of it you then, if you understand the whole text again, you have some time. I think it's really, really good stuff. Okay. All right, let's go back to where I was here. Oops. And log in. Okay, so that is the explanation for YouTube that you will find there. So if you forget what I said, this video is still here to tell you how to make that shift. Okay, now remember, you have two exercises you have to do this week. One of them is your homework, and the other is the reflection. The reflection is due tonight. You have to do that tonight, and the homework is due by Sunday. Sunday at 11 p.m. If you have any questions, remember that my email is up here. The instructions, JD Cruz. And if you have any questions, you can email me there. Otherwise, if you don't have any questions, okay, well, let's